The book review by Anita Mani, Women in the Wild, which has the stories of India's most brilliant women wildlife biologists. They are otherwise called as Georgias of the jungle. So here in this book, the writer Anita Mani has addressed the common notion regarding the woman in the society. So we all know that women are viewed very menial. Okay, their enthusiasm is considered as very emotional rather than being ambitious. They are thought to be very emotional in all sense, very caring, very soft hearted, rather than being very ambitious, very target oriented in their career. And if at all they get success, it is a result of pure luck, and their zeal is very romantic, not being very serious. Okay, so in this book, Anita Mani has negated all this common notion towards the woman as a group. Okay, and she has actively addressed this through her passive aggression. Okay, and she has continuously addressed through giving many examples of women biologists showcasing their perseverance towards their career. Okay, we can see that. So in this book, Anita Mani has taken various instances, various names of women wildlife biologists only to showcase their perseverance and dedication towards their career. For example, this turtle girl J. Vijaya, who saved the olive ridley turtles throughout her life. Then she takes the example of wildlife biologist Vidya Athreya, who spent years studying life patterns of leopards. Then she takes the example of Divya Muddappa, known for her resilient work in the area of restoration ecology. Then she takes the example of Dr. Uma Ramakrishnan, who is very passionate about uncovering tiger genetics. So we can see these pictures of different women biologists, different women wildlife biologists, where you can see that conservation, wildlife conservation or ecology conservation is more than a career option, more than a career choice for them. It has become a way of life for them. So pursuing such a career will have no doubt a lot of challenges. They have faced a lot of challenges in their journey in the form of managing funds, controlling the effects of climate change on wildlife. But despite these challenges, they spent a lifetime fighting for animal sensitivity and minimizing the human animal conflict, thus bridging the science and the society. Okay, as spokesperson, they have used media to communicate science. As activists and historians, they have tried to bring tangible change in policy and infrastructure. So they have tried to influence the government policies as well. Hence, this Mani's book embodies the intersection of wildlife and women in wildlife, the minority within the minority. Here, minority is the woman, and woman in wildlife is all the more another minority within this minority. And this book has highlighted about the poor participation of women in wildlife and other research activities. Less than just one-third researchers worldwide are women, and that is due to the infrastructural issues in successfully implementing the global goals of education and literacy and various other reasons. So this book highlights the scientific temperament being very gender neutral. So this book has continuously emphasized on the fact that the scientific temperament can be gender neutral and it must be treated in that way only. Okay, that means the woman should be more encouraged to participate in the scientific activities and the research activities and to pursue science, technology, engineering, medicine as a career option, right? So this example which we discussed, this book review that we discussed, can be very useful for you in your essay writing concerning the science topics, concerning the women participation in science or women empowerment. Okay, or in your answer writing as well. Here you must note that you can give references of books in your answer writing as well. That will bring more creativity to your answers. Okay, you can use this book reference in your answers related to women's participation in science. Okay, women's participation in STEM. Okay, so this is how these book reviews can be useful to enrich your answers. Okay, whichever answer it is, maybe GS paper 1, 2, 3, or your essay writing or your ethics answer writing as well. So this is the end of this discussion. The short notes of this video discussion will be provided in our Telegram channel, that is Kalam IAS Academy, and the link for joining our channel will be provided in the description box. So do join us and get the important updates and posts, right? Till then, happy learning. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you.